Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to save your smart iron-on or vinyl. I only cut a little section over here, but I have all of this I don't want to waste, and I'd like to just use it again without a mat. Of course you can save it and cut it on a mat. I really like cutting without a mat now. They've spoiled me. Let me go ahead and cut this across first. And I'm going to move this out of the way, and I'm going to unload the mat. No, look at all my fingerprints, but you won't see that. See, I have a little house there, a little mushroom house. I'm going to try to save the rest of this. I'm going to use the Cricut True Control knife and cut this, not too hard because I don't want to cut through the backing. I just want to cut out my little house. And I did not cut any of my house. So let me make sure I can weed this off. Yes. I use iron-on a lot on cards, and that's what this is for. This is going to be for my wiper card during my monthly virtual crop that I have. I just have to weed the rest of it. Because this is iron-on, this may be more difficult to not use the rest of this, but I can do it with my mini press because I'm going to be putting this on paper. So I can put this right on the paper and just press around this area without touching any of the rest of it. And then I can save the rest of this and use it without a mat. I do a lot of small projects on cards, so this is perfect. If you are interested in my monthly crops, please head on over to patreon.com/melodylane. Choose the benefits that you want for supporting. You choose the price, and you save 12% if you do it annually. And here's a shout out to a few of the people who support this channel. Linda, Trevor, Lauren, Cindy, Penny, Gayla, Ann, Tressa, Edith, Kathy, Jamie, Nancy, Janet, Susan, Jennifer, Markel, Jennifer, Barbara, Angela, Jamie, Melissa, Laura, Andrea, Erica, Joy, Darlene, Sharon, Michelle, Faith, Jen, Sheila, Charisse, Linda, Leslie, Amy, Cynthia, Carrie, Lori, Bobby, Connie, Kim, Debbie, Anna Marie, Robin, and Freddie. Don't forget about my other craft tutorials on Tuesdays at noon, Thursdays at 8 p.m. Eastern, and my free Cricut Design Space classes every Saturday at 11. There is a giveaway in every single Cricut Design Space class. Don't miss out on it this week. I also added live videos at Friday at 4 p.m. to see what the new images are in Cricut Design Space. I also do unboxing of Cricut mystery boxes and let you know as soon as they're available. Make sure you click subscribe and click that bell.